Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Where are you from?
Good. I'm from the United States.
Okay.
Yeah, what about you? Where are you from?
I am from India.
From India. Very nice. What part of
Yes.
India?
Jammu and Kashmir. No.
It's the northern part of India. Okay. So the
Yes.
northern part is less hot, right? Not as hot.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. It looks like we just have 9 minutes today. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, you teach me present continuous.
The present continuous.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Have you learned the present continuous before?
Yeah.
A little bit. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
You've
Okay.
learned a little present continuous before?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Excellent. So the way we form the present continuous then is with the verb to be plus another verb that ends in ing, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yes.
I am swimming. Okay. So
Okay.
I, and then am is our verb to be, and swimming, ing. Okay. We
Yes.
use this to talk about something we are doing right now in the moment. Okay.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? So give me some examples. What are you doing right now?
Right now.
I am.
Yes.
So what would you say? I am.
Talking with you.
Excellent. Excellent. I'm
Yeah.
talking with you.
Correct.
What else? I am. Correct. Correct. I am
I.
talking with you. That's perfect. Okay. What else? Give me another example. What else are you doing right now?
mm,
I am
I
sitting.
am
I
going
am.
to. Yeah. I am sitting. I am going to school.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. So
Yeah.
excellent. So you could say, right now I am
I am.
sitting. Excellent. Excellent. So those are all
I
the
eating.
excellent. Those are all the first person form of present continuous. So what about, tell me about a family member. Choose a family member. Could be brother, sister, mom, dad, anyone. Tell me
Yeah.
what they're doing right now.
I have two older brother
Okay. So talk to me
and
about one of your older brothers. What is he doing now?
just my one older brother is do-
Okay. So how will we say that?
he
He's
is
doing study.
yes
So we would
he's
say
doing
he is studying. He is
he's
studying. He is studying. Okay.
okay
Good. Okay. What else? What else is he doing?
and
You can
my
make it up.
mom and my mom and dad
Good. So if we say two people, we have to say are sleeping. So my mom and
okay
dad are sleeping. Okay. We have to change the verb to are. We are sleeping. Who else your mom and dad are?
sorry
Can you tell my dad are doing?
mm, can you write here
Yeah.
okay I cannot Tutor.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? You cannot hear me?
Yes. 1 moment. Tell me something. Actually, I cannot explain in English.
That's okay. If you want, you can type it in the translator. There's in the messages, you can type it in your native language and translate it. It will come to me translated.
Oh, language is not available here.
Oh, your
1
language
moment,
is not.
I check. No,
Not
sure.
available.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, I understand. Well, maybe can you describe it for me using other words? What is something else they are doing there? Is it their work? Is it, what do you want to say?
Sorry?
Maybe you can describe it to me in other words, what you want to say. What is it that you want to say?
Understand.
So you said you can't say it in English. So use other words
Yeah.
to describe to
Yes,
me
yes.
what you want to say in English.
Actually, I joined the Cambly. So I am
1 week ago.
practicing in English. Yeah.
Okay. You're doing very well. You speak very
I
well.
don't understand English yet.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
You speak
I
very
understand
well.
small
Where did
questions. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand. Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English?
Sorry?
Where did you learn English? Did you learn in school, at home,
Yeah.
at just
In school.
Cambly? In school. Okay.
School.
Okay. I
Yeah.
understand.
So at my speak in with
Oh,
students speak only Urdu.
Urdu. Okay, okay. Interesting. And Urdu, is that spoken only in the north of India or in all of India? Where do people speak Urdu? In just north of India. Okay, so it's not a very common language. It's not really common. Not a lot of people speak your language.
Hindi language is common.
Okay. Do you speak Hindi also? Or do you speak just Urdu?
Urdu.
Urdu. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Very cool. Very cool. Do you speak any other languages besides Urdu and English?
No.
Just those two.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Well, our time is up. It was very nice to meet you. Have a great rest of your night. Take care.